Hello everybody. This is a 2x72 belt grinder I just finished today. I just wanted to show you around what I sort of did. It's just sort of my own design. The only parts I bought were the motor, which is 1.5 horsepower, 3600 RPM. I also bought the wheels, and I bought just this plate here because I thought that'd be nice to have. Everything else I built myself. So with the 5-inch drive wheel and that RPM, we should be running around 4,700 and some feet per minute on the belt. Pretty good speed. Yeah, basically there's just a spring there on the lever for tension on the belt. Just spring loaded. For my tracking wheel, I've just got a springed threaded rod here going through. Just pushes on this plate that holds the tracking wheel. It's hinged right here so it can tip either way depending on where you screw this. So that's how I do my tracking. The only thing I have not made yet is a plate, a rest. I'll build a rest sometime. I just have not got around to that yet. So yeah, it turned out pretty good. Just painted it red so it looks a little better. Right now we'll just do a quick demonstration. Right now I have a 36 grit zirconium belt in right now. I've just got a piece of 3/8 hot rolled. Notice the Sharpie mark on there. It's about 3/4 of an inch from the end. We'll just turn her on here and I don't know, see what it's capable of. So far I'm really happy. See what happens. Sounds pretty mean. Here's a demo on that 3/8 rod. Sorry about that. There we go. See that striking work? Really effortless to just take 3/4 of an inch of material off that file. If you could hear me before, like I said, it's with that coarse grit, it's really effortless to take 3/4 of an inch of material off that fast. This thing is really going to work great for blacksmithing applications and just all around grinding in general. Really happy with how it turned out, and just wanted to let you guys know what you thought. Thank you. Bye.